Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, whichever time zone you're in. I'm Diane. I just want to welcome you to my cooking video today. I am going to show you how to make, actually how to juice your fruits and vegetables. Keeping it really simple, really clean. Take your favorite fruits or vegetables you have in your home. So today I'm going to show you how you can juice some beets, some carrots, a little piece of ginger, lemon, apples, and orange. This way, what's going to happen is the apple is going to make that juice really nice and sweet for you, but still keeping it to the point where you don't have to add any sugar or sweetener to it when you do it. So, all right, let's get started, and I'll go through with you the steps that we're going to take. All right, guys, so like I said, we're going to focus on our fruits. So I have the apples here, which I'm going to just cut into small pieces for me to use during our juicing process. And my orange is already peeled. I have a piece of lemon with the skin on. This will help with some preserving as well as the orange because it's citrusy. About an inch or so of ginger peeled already. And then my bowl that has my carrots, some celery, and I'm using a golden yellow beet and my red beet. So what I want to do with this, I want to get it into smaller pieces. Let me move these back into my bowl. And these stain, guys, so, just be careful. Your hands will turn red or yellow, your countertops. These are great for, if you want to get your kids to drink something healthy and you want to tell them it looks like fruit punch, add some beets to it. It will change anything to red. I use these as food coloring sometimes. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna use my juicer. Get my bowl under here and turn it on. All right, guys, so as you can see, our juicing is complete, and I was able to get, almost about 3.5 cups of juice from all that juicing I did. So here it is. This is what it looks like. Now, I'm gonna give you a tip. Whenever you juice fresh fruits and vegetables, you want to drink it within at least the first 15 minutes. The reason behind the drinking your juicing right away is that you get all the nutrients from the vegetables and fruits, as well as the enzymes. Because after 15 minutes, those enzymes are pretty much gonna, disappear. So again, super easy. If I don't want to drink the rest of this, yes, I can put it away. My nutrients are still going to be in here, but I'm probably going to lose my enzymes. But again, this is our juice. Simple, easy, quick. I mean, it does take a lot of prepping time to kind of prepare all your vegetables. You want to wash them really good and clean them and scrub them and peel them a little. But once you're done, it's so well worth it. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I look forward to having you watch some more of my videos as they come along. So have an awesome day. Bye.